Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade on Phantom Wallet, the popular Solana-based wallet that's been gaining a lot of attention. Whether you are new to Phantom or just looking to sharpen your trading skills, this guide will help you trade like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly go over what Phantom Wallet is. Phantom is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet specifically designed for the Solana blockchain. It's user-friendly, secure, and offers a seamless experience of trading, staking, and managing your digital assets. If you haven't installed Phantom yet, be sure to download it from the official website or App Store. Once you have installed Phantom, you will need to set up your wallet. This involves creating a new wallet or restoring an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember, your recovery phrase is your key to accessing your funds. Keep it safe and never share it with anyone. To start trading, you will need to have some Solana SOL in your wallet. You can either transfer SOL from another wallet or purchase it directly using a service like MoonPay, which is integrated into Phantom. Now that your wallet is funded, let's get into the main part, trading. Phantom Wallet has a built-in swap feature that allows you to trade Solana-based tokens directly from your wallet. To access this, simply open your Phantom Wallet and tap on the swap icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in the swap interface, you will see options to select the token you want to trade and the token you want to receive. Tap on the Select Token field to choose the tokens. For example, let's say you want to trade SOL for USDC. Next, enter the amount of SOL you want to trade. The equivalent amount in USDC will be automatically calculated based on the current exchange rate. You can also tap on the Max button if you want to trade all your SOL. Before you proceed, review the transaction details. This includes the exchange rate, estimated fee, and the slippage tolerance. Slippage tolerance is the percentage difference between the quoted price and the actual price at the time of trade execution. Adjust it if needed. Once you are satisfied with the details, hit the swap button. A confirmation screen will appear. Double check everything, and if it all looks good, confirm the transaction. Your token will be swapped and you will see the updated balance in your wallet shortly. After the swap is complete, you can review your transaction history by tapping on the Activity tab in Phantom. This will show you all your recent transactions, including the trade you just made. And that's it. You have successfully traded tokens on Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more crypto tutorials. And hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. If you have any questions or video requests, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.